All right, today we're going to learn how to use our Hexcode GS-911 tool, which is right here. This is what it looks like. You're going to plug it into your bike here. I have the adapter because I used to have two bikes where you can use the different style plug here. So it's capable or compatible with either one. First, we're going to go here and download the software. Okay, once we're here, the first one is for the GS-911 for Windows. The Wi-Fi one here is Windows or Mac. I have a Mac, so we're going to download this and install it. All right, we're going to put it in our applications directory and we're going to run it. Now it's looking for it to be connected, so we're going to take the cable that comes with it, plug it into the back of here, and the other end into a USB port on our computer. All right, after plugging it in, it is connecting, and I just heard the device beep. And we have an update available, so we're going to update our firmware. All right, I fast forwarded that for you, but that took just almost exactly 5 minutes for mine to complete the firmware upgrade. Now I have connected my GS-911 before, so you might have to configure your Wi-Fi here and connect it to your network by putting in the password, but mine is already here connected. All right, I'm gonna insert this and twist the end with the arrow to lock it in place, and we can see that the light starts flashing and it is powered and it is connected to our Wi-Fi network. Now we can take our phone and there's a GS-911 Wi-Fi app that you can install from the App Store. It will find our 911 and it will connect, and from here we can do an auto scan, perform basic auto scan. Okay, so it tells us that perhaps our ignition is not on, which it is not on. So I'm going to turn our ignition on. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to perform this again. All right, now we're getting a little progress bar. Okay, so this tells us lots and lots of information about our bike, which is really cool. You can download this data, you can email it to yourself. Okay, under series, we can go to this as the S1000XR. And now we have all of the functions that we can do here. Our engine controller, ABS brakes, instrument cluster, body controller, all of these things. I'm going to do, oops, that was auto scan. I'm going to go to the special functions, and it is going to read some stuff, and it comes up and says service reminder functions. So I can set the cluster date and time here. I can reset the service reminder, and that is what we want to do. So it says error attempting to connect to this controller caused a negative response. Possible conditions: module is not the expected type, or wrong bike model or family selected. Did I select the wrong thing? Special functions. It says S1000XR. Okay, so I think I found the secret to this. If you do S1000XR like you saw, it can't figure it out. But if you do S1000R and then go to special functions and go to service reminder functions and do reset service reminder, suddenly it knows about it, and it gives you the option to reset the service reminder to 6,000 miles or 365 days, whichever comes first. So we're going to do that, and it says resetting service function completed successfully. So that is the secret, apparently. Now if I go to the bike, my service indicator should no longer be on. So I'll test it out by turning the ignition off and back on, and good. It no longer says that it is required, so that worked. It is reset now.